Stop paying a monthly subscription for every single AI tool you use. You have been told you need a specialized editor, a separate chat app, and a dozen different plugins just to code efficiently. But those small monthly fees add up to hundreds of dollars a year. What if you could have the power of the world's best LLMs running directly in your terminal, for a fraction of the cost? It is time to switch to a different way of working. Most of us just put these tools on autopay and forget about them. You pay for the editor, then the AI extension, then the API credits for your custom scripts. It feels like a small price for productivity, but you are essentially renting your workflow. You do not actually own the tools, you are just paying for access. But a new wave of agentic tools is changing the math entirely. Meet the new heavy hitters, Claude Code and Goose. Instead of a fancy editor with AI bolted on, these are agents that live in your terminal. They do not just suggest code, they actually execute commands, read your files, and fix bugs across your entire project. The biggest difference? They move the power from the subscription model back to the developer. Traditional AI tools are like a smart autocomplete. Agentic tools are like having a junior developer in your terminal. They follow a loop, they read your files, plan the solution, execute the code, and then verify it by running your actual tests. You stop spending your time copying and pasting snippets, and start spending it reviewing high-level architectural changes. Here is the secret: you only pay for what you actually use. Most pro plans charge you for a maximum capacity you never even reach. By using your own API keys with Goose or Claude Code, you pay per token. For many developers, this drops the monthly cost from $20 to $5 or $10. You stop paying for the possibility of use, and start paying for the act of coding. Beyond the money, you get total freedom. When a new, better model comes out, you do not have to wait for your editor to update it. You just change a key in your config file. You can even connect these agents to local models if you have a powerful GPU, making your coding environment completely private. You are no longer a tenant in someone else's software, you are the owner of your stack. There is a catch, of course. Traditional IDEs with AI features are incredibly easy to set up. You just install an extension and start chatting. CLI agents require you to be comfortable in your terminal, and configure your own API keys. But this slight learning curve is a filter. If you take 30 minutes to learn how these open standards work, you unlock a workflow that does not just save you money, it makes you fundamentally better at understanding how your code actually runs. This is not just about saving a few dollars a month on software. It is about a massive shift in how we interact with computers. We are moving from tools that assist us, to systems that can act on our behalf. By learning to orchestrate agents like Claude Code and Goose today, you are preparing yourself for a future where coding is less about syntax, and more about system design and architecture. You become the manager of a digital workforce. If you want to try this out, it has never been easier to start. Both of these tools are designed to run alongside your existing setup. You do not have to delete your current editor right away. Just open your terminal, install the package, and ask it to explain a complex file in your project. You will immediately see the difference in speed and context. Stop paying for training wheels, and start driving the real machine. If you found this breakdown helpful, share it with another developer. Stay ahead of the curve, and keep building.